Hello, my name is Christoph Bertram. I'm a practice director at Enterprise Strategy Group. Cybersecurity is top of mind for IT decision makers around the world. And according to ESG research, cybersecurity will be the #1 area for IT spending in 2023. This is happening against a backdrop of accelerated adoption of hybrid and multi-cloud environments that underpin digital transformation. With so many moving parts, 53% of professionals in our research are reporting that IT has gotten more complex than just 2 years ago. We've also found that among data center modernization priorities, backup and recovery are among the top 2 areas of investment for decision makers in 2023. Cloud-first strategies, cyber resilience, and compliance are strategic topics for IT and areas our research indicate are lacking in expertise and appropriate skill sets. This is why organizations are turning to global systems integrators and a data protection leader like Commvault for help. Recently, my colleague Kevin Rohn spoke on this subject with Vidya Shankaran, Field CTO of Commvault.
Vidya, in today's cyber context, how do you measure success of a cyber resilient architecture? And do you have a success story that you could share that addresses this challenge?
Thank you for that, Kevin. That's definitely a great question that many organizations are actually striving to answer as well. The true measure of success of a cyber-resilient architecture is typically in the key parameters around minimal downtime and zero data loss when it comes to recovering after a cyber crisis. And it all starts out very early on, where you start out with a zero trust architecture, which is a philosophy that aligns with ensuring that you're hardening at every layer of IT estate, complemented with continuous monitoring and followed up with regular and consistent assessment of the overall security posture and recovery readiness. And this is where actually we find our GSIs, our global system integrators, are able to create that significant impact in an enterprise customer environment by incorporating these key architectural principles with the right kind of solutions. Recently, we had a leading GSI play a pivotal role in helping a European global supply chain and logistics company and help them recover 100% of their data in the first 48 hours after they were hit by ransomware. Close to 700 VMs with 800 terabytes were encrypted, but their recipe for successful recovery comes from the fact that very early on, with the help of the GSI, they were able to standardize on Commvault, getting rid of all the point solutions in their environment from a data protection perspective. Further, they had a single pane of glass that provided the customer and the GSI a bird's eye view, allowing them to manage the entire estate intelligently, immaterial of where their applications were residing. Now, when you add to this Commvault's security centricity, it helps align very closely with the NIST cybersecurity framework. And the customer was able to protect, monitor, and assess their overall security posture as well. All enterprises are actually looking at a future-proofed solution like Commvault that is agile, secure, and of course, that provides the best price-to-performance ratio. And this is what we call the golden triangle at Commvault of security, performance, and cost savings.
That's a great summary of the market challenges and how Commvault and GSI partners jointly deliver on the promise of an integrated and efficient modern data management and data security solution that solves joint customers' digital transformation and modernization needs while maximizing the value of enterprise data across any workload. To learn more about Commvault solutions and how the company joins forces with leading global systems integrators, please go to the Commvault website.